Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. Welcome to this stunning 3-bedroom, 2.5-bathroom home nestled in the highly sought after gated community of Newark Subdivision in Manchester. Located in a central location, this residence offers the perfect blend of luxury, convenience, and security, making it an ideal choice for families and discerning homeowners. Upon entering, be greeted by a spacious living room with natural light, perfect for both relaxation and entertaining. The formal dining room, with its elegant design, provides the perfect setting to enjoy meals and special occasions. The well-appointed kitchen comes complete with modern appliances, including a stove, refrigerator, and washer, ensuring you have everything you need for comfortable living. The thoughtful layout of this home is designed to accommodate both everyday living and hosting guests with ease. The three generous-sized bedrooms provide ample space for rest and rejuvenation, while the 2.5 baths, tastefully designed for comfort and style, enjoy easy access to public and top-rated private schools, hospitals, etc. Don't miss this opportunity. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this townhouse is Jamaican, 37 million or US $240.4 thousand. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.